All of you on behalf of our Y Baptist Association and even Cork Baptist Association and all the leaders here. And I would like to request all of you to please introduce yourself because I even personally don't know your name. So I would like to request all of you to please introduce yourself. So I'll be passing this mic from my left, so you can just...
From Nagaland, thank you.
My name is Canary.
My name is Kabene, I'm from Nagaland.
My name is Chata from Arunachal.
My name is Sabina Dimbu, I'm from Nepal.
My name is Dina and I'm from Nagaland.
My name is Shruti Ken and I'm from Nagaland.
My name is Nyesi.
My name is Shawali Sep, I'm from Nagaland.
My name is Chong Chan and I'm from Nagaland. Hello, my name is Kuza from Nagaland. Hambai for the time. Hello from Nagaland.
Hello, my name is Bim and I'm from Nagaland.
Hello, my name is Pali, I am from Nagaland.
My name is Kochivini Kikon, I'm from Nagaland. My name is Chasine and I'm from Nagaland.
My name is Zeman.
My first name is Kurang and I'm from Assam. हम लोग सब मिलके एक दो गीत गाएगा नहीं पा रहा है ओके तो आ जाना बैठने से हम लोग हंस नहीं सकता इसलिए आ जाना चलो come on you can come on don't feel shy don't hesitate चलो come